stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my son Jensen's room, and I'm going to be freshening up all of his decor because I'm ready to take this dinosaur theme to the next level. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you do and you like videos like these, cleaning motivation, decluttering, anything minimalism, definitely subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. I hope that you guys enjoy today's video.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have. So much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
Now in today's video, I will definitely be leaving like all of the staple pieces. The furniture will all stay the same, and a couple of the other pictures that I had kind of hanging up in the room where it says enjoy the little things. Those were nice staple pieces that I had, and I wanted to leave those and just kind of incorporate the dinosaur theme to kind of match those things. Like window treatments will stay. Bedding, I had already picked up the dinosaur bed from Target. Yes, from Target. I really, really like the Pottery Barn dinosaur bedding so much, but guys, it is very, very expensive, and I just don't know right now with how rough he is on his things if I really wanted to invest in that. So I like the way it turned out in the end, but I definitely have been eyeballing the dinosaur bedding from Pottery Barn.
Got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. Every time I go to clean these windows, I have to break out my step stool because I'm only 5'3", and this room is 9-foot ceilings. Most of the house is 12 feet, and I just cannot reach anything. So this was quite the struggle for me, and I tried to get the best angle that I could for you guys to see what I was doing without the lighting getting blurred. But yeah, the struggle was real with the windows.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter.
just kind of putting back books that I knew 100% I wanted to go on this shelf so that he could reach them. He loves to read books, but this part made me so sad, removing his name, because it was over his crib right after we moved in this house, and I loved it so much. And it just made me kind of sad. Does anybody else, can you relate to stuff like that? But he was super excited. I hand painted this dinosaur picture for him, and I'm really happy with the way that it came out. So now I need to think of a name for the dinosaur because, I don't know, he's pretty cute.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't
I just wanted to come on here and reintroduce myself if you're new here for the first time. My name is Kristen. This is Cora's Cozy Castle, named after my 5-pound dachshund. I have 3 boys, ages 13, 9, and 3, and I'm married to my high school sweetheart. It will be 17 years in September. Time is flying by. And here on my channel, I love to talk about decluttering, how I've gotten rid of a lot of things. And the main reason I have done that is to help manage my health anxiety and my OCD. Now, I do enjoy a really nice decorated room, as you can see that I'm doing right here, but I try to just not have as much stuff just everywhere throughout the house. And I'm very, very big on not a lot of clutter. So if you enjoy things like that, I would love for you to join me here on my journey to more minimalism and decluttering and cleaning, and just how to get through life when you struggle with OCD and health anxiety. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, and I hope that you're enjoying the video so far.
back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm
All right, now I'm getting the room vacuumed up. The big reveal is right around the corner. If you made it this far in today's video, yay, thank you so much. Please leave me a sunshine emoji, and don't forget before you leave to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me and you can take this journey with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that you have a very blessed day. And again, thank you so, so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time, there's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D